Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's Garage in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this stunning 2013 Skoda Yeti 2-litre TDI 4-wheel drive, finished in silver metallic with the grey alloy wheels. Really nice spec to this one, including the reverse parking sensors, which you can see along the back of the bumper. Been really well maintained and looked after. Rubber mat protectors inside help keeping it clean, regardless it's in immaculate condition. Brilliant service history as well, including evidence of Haldex oil and timing belt being done with receipts. Just done over 64,700 miles. Touchscreen display, dual climate aircon. You do have cruise control there as well. Skoda Yeti's a really popular following since they don't make them anymore. Really hard to find them in good condition. And if you'd like to come see it for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.